Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, children, today we will learn from your workbook, chapter number 12, talking about future. Children, we don't know about the future, so we use some proper words to determine the future. We use words like shall, will to tell about the future for a positive sentence. Remember, children, we use the words will, shall to tell about the future only for a positive sentence. For example, I will bring the fruits. Children, the sentence I will bring the fruits is a positive sentence, which means I am going to bring the fruits for you. Okay? And one more example is I shall be late for the school. I shall be late for the school. This means I know that I will be late for the school. And children, when we talk about the negative sentences, then we just add the word not with will and shall. For example, I will not eat anything. I will not eat anything. And another example is I shall not run on the road. I shall not run on the road.
Children, to make it better, we use the short forms of the words will and shall. For example, I will bring the fruits. I will bring the fruit. It becomes I'll bring the fruits. I'll bring the fruits. Here you can see, children, the pronunciation changes from I will to IL. Here the pronunciation changes from I will to IL. And remember, children, we use will or apostrophe double L for the positive sentences. And in case of a negative sentence like I will not eat anything becomes I won't eat anything. I will not eat anything becomes I won't eat anything. Here, will not changes to won't. WON apostrophe T. The will not changes to won't as its short form. And same thing with shall also. For example, I shall be late to school. I shall be late to school. It becomes I will be late to school. I apostrophe double L be late to school. Here we use only the apostrophe double L in place of shall as its short form. And always remember, children, we use this shall and apostrophe double L in a positive sentence.
And in a negative sentence like I shall not run on the road, I shall not run on the road, it becomes I shan't run on the road. I shan't run on the road. The shall not here becomes shan't. SHAN apostrophe T. Okay, the shall not becomes here shan't.
One thing you must learn, children, that when will not changes to won't, we get an O added after W. Okay? we get an O added after W. In will, the I double L is omitted and we add an apostrophe T in place of not. So we follow this kind of major changes when we change will not to won't. And same thing for shall also. We use sha for shall and add an apostrophe t for not, and hence it becomes shan't. The shall not becomes shan't. Now children, whenever we make questions in future, we don't use will or won't. We use shall to make the questions. For example, shall I come to your place? Shall I come to your place? We always make questions with shall. Okay, children? Always remember this.
So, children, I hope you have understood today's lesson. So, children, have a good day and take care.